Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for sticking it out. We made it to video number 4 now, so we're slowly progressing. Today is going to be a different type of video. Today we're going to have like a little one-on-one chit chat, you and me, on how to be successful in the beauty industry. So I have a couple of things that helped me become successful in the beauty industry, and I know sometimes some people don't have somebody that they can go to ask for advice on this. So I lived it. I am very successful in this industry, in the beauty industry. So I'm gonna give some little helpful pointers and some tips for you guys, so you can be successful in the beauty industry as well. So these are all the things that helped me. So hopefully these were things that can help you. And if they do help you, make sure you come back to this video and give a comment and say, Aisha, thank you for letting me know about X, Y, and Z. It definitely helped me. This channel is all love. I want to help and give back as much as I can. So whatever I know, I will definitely let you guys know. All right, so with that being said, I have my little cheat sheet down here. So if I look down, I'm not looking at the table, I'm looking at my little cheat sheet, just so that I hit all the things that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the first thing is knowledge is power. So what helped me become successful when I'm still in the beauty industry. I was gonna say when I was in the beauty industry. Being in the beauty industry is I research every single day. Every single day, I kid you not, I am buying books about makeup. I am watching YouTube videos about makeup. I am going to makeup shows. I am talking to colleagues about, tips and tricks. I'm always wanting to learn about what's going on in the beauty industry, and I always want to know what's in. So knowledge is power. Like, if you're a mechanic, you should know everything as much as you can about cars. If you're a doctor, know everything about your field, so you will be your expert. And that helped me from all divisions of fields that I was in beauty. So just for example, when I started off from the very beginning, when I was just a beauty advisor, I used to go home and they take you to trainings, but I used to memorize my pamphlets, like literally memorize them. Like a customer would come in and be like, why do I need this moisturizer? And I would say all the bullet points for what's in the moisturizer, what's the pros, what is it gonna do for you, how long I knew everything under the sun. I was a very good salesperson, and I was genuine because I knew everything, and I also tried everything too, so I can give my honest feedback. So try everything out, know everything, be your best expert, and people will know that and they will see that. Okay, so number 2, always go over and beyond. So I think one of the main reasons why I progressed in my beauty career so fast is, honestly, I always went over and beyond. I didn't do things because somebody told me to do something, or, well, that's not in my job role or my description, so I don't have to do that. I'll let the person whose job description it is do it. Nope, I never had that mindset. From the bottom to the very top, I still want to do everything. For example, being a beauty advisor, I would always do stuff that wasn't in my job role, as far as like wanting to know the numbers, motivating the team when we have to get sales in. Like, I always was involved. I stayed later, never called out. Just going over and beyond. People see that. Like, some people are like, oh, well, no one's gonna notice. It's funny, I always went over and beyond, and people always noticed it. Always had a beat face every single day when I came in. I always over and beyond. People notice it. People notice when you work hard. So work hard and people will notice. Just trust me on that one. Like, a couple of my colleagues that I worked with in the past, they always like, I'm just gonna, skate through, my job title. And I mean, they're still in their job role now, and I've since then double progressed in them, because I'm just like, I want to always do better, and and help, if I wasn't a manager, help my manager out. Let them see that you always are willing to learn, always willing to do more. People know that, and people they like that. Everyone likes a good worker, and me being on a management aspect of things, I see that. I know who goes over and beyond, and who just skates through their job and does the bare minimum. We notice that. So always go over and beyond. All right, 3, be passionate. I'm telling you, when you're passionate about something, like you shine through anything that you're doing. Like, I think that helped me a lot in my career is because I am so passionate about like makeup, which to some people are like, it's just makeup, but to me it's like my life. I eat, sleep, dream, everything makeup, everything beauty. I love makeup. Hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup. So just truly be passionate about what you do. For example, just me always with the makeup on, I have my makeup on, people come up to me. I can be in a dentist's office, I could be walking in the street, people, oh my gosh, I love your makeup. I'm like, because I put my love into it. Anything that you're passionate about and you put your love into it, people see that. Just earlier, I was at the diner, and a lady came up to me and she's like, I just want to say I love your makeup. Like, what eyeshadow do you have on? And then we started chit-chatting, about makeup. But people see, people know. When you love what you do, people see it. So if this is something that you really want to truly be successful in, make sure you truly love it and are passionate about it. Because at the end of the day, they say you can have a job, but like if you do something that you love, it's not a job. So have that passion, have that drive. And number 4, I think is really helpful, and that was have a mentor that's higher than you. So it doesn't matter what job role I've ever had, I've always sought out to have a mentor that was higher than me. There's a saying, show me your friends and that'll show me who you are. There's another saying, the birds of a feather flock together. So with that being said, hang out with people who you aspire to be. If you're hanging out with somebody who's always at home, never doing anything with themselves, doing all the wrong things, those are not people you want to hang out with. Hang out with somebody who's like, wow, like they're a CEO of this, they're an executive. Hang out with those people because you'll learn stuff from them. You can always learn, and you're going to learn good stuff from them. So I was lucky that in my career, I had 3 good mentors that I really looked up to. One, when I worked at MAC Cosmetics, she always had faith in me from the very beginning. Like, even when that MAC was like my really early stages of my makeup career. So I guess that's why I wasn't so confident in myself. But she was like, Aisha, you are going to do this. You got this. And she mentored me all the way up to the top. I was MAC certified to do Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week. And to take the test to do the MAC certification for Fashion Week was intensive. And I was like, I'm not ready. I can't do it. And she's like, Aisha, you can do this. And I was like, no, I can't do this. And I remember to this day, I went in, they make you do like 3 different tests. You come in, you bring your own kit, because obviously when you go to Fashion Week, you have to have your own makeup, so you bring in your own kit. And they gave us like 3 different looks, which was all very challenging to me. And I wasn't very good at the things that they asked me to do, but I took, I was confident in myself and I did it. And you know what? I passed because of my mentor having faith in me, coaching me, letting me know I can do this. So make sure you have a good mentor and ask questions. Well, how did you get to that job, bro? What did you do to get to where you gotta go? Have them help you. 9 times out of 10, people don't mind helping. They like somebody who wants to know the business and the ins and outs. I love when I have my beauty advisors come up to me and they say, Aisha, you know, I aspire to do what you're doing. I really want to do what you're doing. Tell me what you did to get to your role. How did you get to be an executive? You know what? I mentor them, and I'm so proud to say that a lot of my beauty advisors now, I got to promote a couple of my beauty advisors to higher rankings in this field, and it makes me feel good to also be a leader and to be able to coach and inspire and to develop people. So with that being said, just a little background about my the field that I am in. Again, I am an executive from my company that I work for, in which we oversee various different makeup brands, top brands that everybody knows, like Anastasia, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Philosophy, IT Cosmetics, just to name a few. A lot of the top brands that you guys all know. It's not like drugstore brands. Well, it's more like a little bit on the high end. And I visit stores from day to day, and you know, just check up on the stores, make sure everything's going right, the visuals is up right, check with the numbers and so forth. And I absolutely love my job, which leads me into number 5, which is be positive and believe in yourself. So prior to me having this job role, I just had a regular management position. I was just a regular manager that oversaw a whole bunch of different brands. And then I got promoted to my job role now, where I did the same thing as a manager, but now I'm going to a different store every single day and overseeing them. And a couple of the colleagues, you know, that I was close with was like, when I was offered this position, they were like, oh, that's going to be very hard. I don't think you can do that. And are you going to be able to do that? I know I wouldn't be able to do that. That's going to be stressful. And you sure you want to do that? And be confident in yourself. I was confident. Yes, I can do that. You know, sometimes people, because they're scared to do something and they're scared to do their dream, they'll try to stop you from living your dream. Don't let anybody tell you can't do something. If you want to be an astronaut, if you want to be a doctor, you want to be an accountant executive, you want to do anything, you do it because you can. And don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I always had faith in myself from being in this career for so long, and just have faith and confidence. Be positive. I'm all about positive energy. I feel like my life has been, it's done a 180 since I started being very positive. So I'm all about positive energy, positive vibes. I wake up in the morning and I'm saying, Aisha, you're going to have a great day. You're going to go out there, you're going to get this money, because I'm a hustler. And I'm confident. I'm positive. Have faith in yourself. If you believe you can do something, you will get it done. Trust and believe. I have faith in myself, and anything that I ever wanted to do thus far, I have done it. I always wanted to be a makeup artist. I'm a freelance makeup artist on the side. I do makeup. I always wanted to do Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week. I did makeup for Mercedes-Benz Fashion Weeks. I have pictures on my makeup Instagram if you guys want to see. It's the same name as my YouTube, Aisha Loves Makeup. That was such a beautiful moment for me, being around other talented makeup artists, us doing makeup on models, high fashion models, meeting prestigious fashion designers, you know. Then from that, I'm like, what's next? What else can I do? Now I want to, you know, go in different aspects of being a manager. I did the assistant store manager. I did the store manager. You know, I did, you know, the roles in the store, being a counter manager, you know, doing coordinator, account coordinator, account executive, all of those things. What's next? And I'm still what's next? I always need to do what's next. But I have faith in myself. I know I can do it. And that's why I'm getting there. Have faith. You got this. So with that being said, these were my little tips and little tricks that helped me. I hope they all helped you. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show my channel some love. I'm slowly gonna get there. You know, this is something still new to me, but I promise you I will do my best to, you know, post at least 2 to 3 times a week. I will be consistent with that. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of content. March just started, so I should be getting my subscription boxes coming in. I will be doing my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy subscription boxes coming in, so look out for that. And I'm gonna have a lot of more fun content coming up for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.